Mya Go is reading all about animals with her friend Emily Share.
Okay, Emily. What's the biggest animal in the world? The whale. Correct. Last one. What's the fastest animal on Earth? Tortoise? That's not what it says here. No, tortoise, over there. Look, it's eating my comic books.
Everything okay out here? Is that a tortoise?
Yeah, her name is Abigail. Where do you think she came from?
Oh, she must belong to somebody in Everyday.
We should help her find her way home.
Someone must know who she belongs to.
No, Abigail. That's a book, not breakfast. Come on, Abigail. Let's go.
This could take a while.
Come on, Abigail. We don't have all day.
I don't think she likes being carried, Dada. I think I have an idea.
Good thinking, Mya Go. A much quicker way to get her moving.
Hold on, Abigail. We'll get you home really soon.
Here's Penny Spend. She might know who owns the tortoise.
Hey, is that a tortoise?
Her name's Abigail. She's lost. Do you know her?
I've had everyone in my shop at one point or another, but I can't remember anyone shopping with a tortoise.
Oh dear, Abigail. Where do you think you're going?
Well, thanks for trying, Penny. Don't worry, Abigail. We'll find... Wait! Where's she gone?
Oh, no. She's lost. Again.
I think she went that way. Come on.
I got it. Tiny dinosaur.
Don't panic, Henry Fix. Abigail won't hurt you. She's just a lost tortoise.